So you know how I tell you guys green is my favorite color. You guys should know, if you've been following for a little bit, you know green is my favorite color of all time. This is exactly why. Let's check it out together. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Nefred. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys are having a very, very blessed day. In today's video, I'm bringing you guys another sneaker review, and the sneaker that we are going to be taking a look at is the Air Jordan 6 Electric Green. Now, these did come out a while ago, actually June 6th to be exact. I know I've been kind of behind on the reviews, and it's only because I've been trying to get into there's been a lot of other sneakers that have been actually coming out. I've been picking up and making, you know, separate videos, vlogs, and reviews for that. If you see my last video, then you guys know I vlogged over the Lightning Force, and I basically explained how I got reviews that are on the way. So stay patient, because they definitely are coming. But today we are going to be taking a look at these electric green 6s, and these, I'm not gonna lie, when they first did release, I was not the biggest fan, only because I did not see them in person. So we're gonna check them out in a few minutes, but first, before we even go ahead and check these babies out, I always gotta tell you guys I appreciate the love and support that you guys always show. The channel just hit a milestone of 900 subscribers. We are on the race to 1,000 subscribers, as you guys know, and 900 subscribers, that's ridiculous. That is honestly ridiculous. This is, clap it up. You guys are crazy. You guys are amazing. Literally, it's like hitting new milestones every single video with you guys. I know we're gonna get there with all the love and support that you guys show. So let's continue to keep putting support and showing love on the channel. I will, as much as I can, get back to you guys as well. I always like for you guys to engage on the video. So if you have to right now, comment down below and let me know how you're feeling today. Let me know how you're doing. You know it means a lot. It means so much to me. It really, really does. So thank you from the bottom of my heart to allow me to keep going and keep pushing out content for you guys. Thank you so much. So as we move forward with the video, like I said, we are going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan 6 Electric Greens. Let's go ahead and do so right now. First and foremost, if you are new to the channel, or if you already know, I always like to be color coordinated with the product that I am reviewing, and I like to do so with matching headbands. So I'm going to get my headband on right now, and then we're about to take a look at these beautiful babies. Let's get it. All right, I'm back. Like I said, we are reviewing some Jordans today, so you know I had to come right with my Jordan headband. So let's get straight into it. Oop. I'm gonna go ahead right here. We got my knife right there so we can actually dig into this box. And these, like I said, at first I wasn't a big fan of, honestly, because I didn't see them in person. But I originally also wanted the, what was it? I think it was the Fragment Dunks that actually came out on the same day these did, and I wanted those more. Of course, with those being so limited, there was no chance in the world I was gonna get those. So I went for those and thinking I have a better chance. But still, these were sitting at all over the place. You could find them in tons of retailer stores, Foot Locker, Finish Line. They were just sitting for a while. And I honestly think, in terms of how well they did, because they were sitting, they were kind of slept on a little bit, honestly. I think they were. Let's go ahead and get this box out of here. And here we go right there. We're greeted with the Air Jordan 6 Electric Green box. Like I said, I went ahead and purchased these over on Foot Locker. They did us restock, so thankfully I was able to go ahead and get them for retail, not resale. It's always good when you're able to do that. I'm gonna go ahead and read you the box size description. So it's Air Jordan 6 black electric green. I did get in a 10.5, and in women's this is a 12. I'm gonna go ahead and pan it so you guys can see it. Right there, you do got nothing special, just kind of how you would have the same thing like in your any regular Air Jordan 6 box, or anything like your regular Air Jordan 5 box. You do have all black. You do have the Jumpman right in the middle of that, and as you look on the side panels as well, you do got your cement right there as well. So as we go ahead and we dive into these, let's go ahead and actually give you guys a better perspective, because you know I always like for you guys to see. So, like I said, regular box, I'm in right there. Let's pull the top right there. You're greeted with your cement paper. Cement paper, hold on, I wanna make sure I'm in frame so you guys can see this. So as we pull it back together, it already, ooh, I can smell it. I can smell the goodness. Pull it back a little bit, and yes, sir, we got the first one right there. Man, I'm not gonna hold you. These are way better actually having them in my hand right now. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pull back the last one so I can go ahead and get the right pair out. So let's go ahead and put this box up. All right, and boom, here we go. Right here, we do have the Air Jordan 6 electric green. Oh, I'm not gonna hold you. These are nice. These are for sure nice. The quality's there. They're beautiful. I love the green hits on them. I love the eyelet right there. I love the embroidered Jumpman. It's lime green is there. I like that. I love it. Which one do we want to review? Which is better for the camera? I feel like the left would be better. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this down and let's actually get into the review. All right, so here we go right here, the Air Jordan 6 electric green. Let's actually start with the outsole. So the outsole, you do get hit with, I would say 3 colors. It's black, you do have your electric green Jumpman right there, and then you kind of do have like your kind of clear-ish, tannish track pad right there. Moving up to the outsole, you do kind of have your electric green mixed with that tannish, clear track pad right there. You do have that slime green hit right there, and then you do have that air bubble right there as well. As you turn it to the back of the heel, you do have the air right there, and then you do have the Jumpman as well. Going back up to the heel, you have that spoiler, which is the Air Jordan 6. It's actually based off of that that spoiler design, which is really cool. You do have your lime green right there, lime green. You do have your slime green. As you go up, you do have nothing crazy. As you go to the side panel, all black, and then you do go to the front, you hit with your black laces that run up there, and then you got your embroidered Jumpman in that slime green or electric green, and then you do have your tassel right there, which is fire. Going up to the tongue, it does say Jordan right there, and then as I go ahead, take out the shoe tree, see if I can actually get this to the best angle for you guys. You do have, I know it's kind of hard to tell, but you have in the insole right there, there is a Jumpman, which is the electric Jumpman, electric green Jumpman, which is actually inside there. Very beautiful. These are actually an insane sneaker. Like I said, at first I did not want these because I wasn't sure exactly how they look, but now that I have them in hand, I don't know why I ever passed on them. I don't know why in the world I had ever passed on these babies. These are fire. So this is the left right there. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the right. Same thing, no different, you know, fire. Now, these actually did come out a long time ago, but they were a PE version of the Oregon Ducks, and those actually came. In the back there was the Oregon Duck logo, and then on the side there was also the O logo for Oregon Ducks. So that's clean to know as well. But I'm very, very happy they went ahead and they came out with a GR for the public, so we could go ahead and grab them. I like these a lot. I'm going to be putting a lot of wear into them. Actually, a matter of fact, speaking of wear, we do have a event coming up on next month for Arizona and Phoenix. It is SneakerCon. All of my sneaker enthusiasts, you know exactly what that event is. These, I'm thinking about wearing these or another pair of sneakers that I probably will maybe go ahead and put up on my poll over on Instagram, so check out for that. But I'm thinking that these might be cracked out for SneakerCon for surely. Like I said, I don't know why in the world I did not pick them up when I did. Green is my favorite color of all time, and so the way that Nike and Jordan Brand executed it for the sneaker was brilliant. Was absolutely brilliant. That's my phone going off over there. Don't ignore all that. But comment down below and let me know what you think about these Air Jordan 6 electric greens. Do you like them? Are they a pass? I know the grade school as well. The grade school, it was the same thing, but except the outsole actually glue in the dark. They actually glowed in the dark, which I think was really cool. I think they kind of had that like that Travis Scott type of vibe they did. I don't know why the men's pair didn't have that. I think it would have been pretty cool as well, but still, I am satisfied for what we did end up getting. So guys, this is going to conclude today's video of the Air Jordan 6 electric green. I'm gonna go ahead and before I even end the video, I'm gonna give you guys a quick overlook of this sneaker. Check it out right here. Here it goes. Like I said, absolutely clean. I don't know why in the world I passed on these. I would definitely for sure double up. I would double up. I will put a link in the description as where you can go ahead and get these at. Actually, resale is not too bad. Retail price, like I said, was $190, $200 for these. Resale price, I was looking, it was like maybe $30, $40 above, which is not bad. So if you can grab these while you can, please do. I think in terms of sixes this year, this is probably the most slept on six, in my opinion, next up to the Bordeaux 6s, which I have a whole separate review out for that. But like I said, these are the electric green 6s. Comment down below, let me know what you think about these babies. I'm gonna go ahead and break away to an on-feet review. Like always, guys, I do appreciate all the love that you guys support. Thank you so much for 900 subscribers. We're on the race to 1,000. We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. I have decided that what I want to do, and I'll talk a little bit more about it probably in the next future video, but once we hit to that 1,000 mark, I have a giveaway that I want to go ahead and do for you guys, so stay tuned for that, because I really do appreciate you guys as well. I got more videos coming on the way. I know this Saturday is the release of the Air Jordan 5 Oreo, Moonlight. Yeah, Moonlight. I was able to go ahead and hit a reservation for that, so I will go ahead and bring a small vlog for you guys. We can go down, pick them up, and check those babies out together. So I'm excited. I got videos for you guys. It's on the way. Just be patient with me, like I always say, and I will go ahead and get them out as fast as I can. Like always, guys, love you. Remember, there's only ever gonna be one you in this world, in this life. So please be the best you. Be the best you. No one else, only you. Until next time, guys, it's been your boy. It's been your kid, Left Right. I will catch you on the next one. Until then, later.
Gems with the heat.